Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, and Director of Rajiv Academy.
Sir, I welcome you on the dais. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome Dr. Devendra Pathak, sir.
Poster participants are requested to reach their venue.
Dr. Vibhu Sahani, sir, Professor and Head of Pharmacy in LLRM Medical College, sir. I welcome you on the dais. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome sir on the dais.
Dr. Kamla Pathak Ma'am, Dean and Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences, Etawah. Ma'am, I welcome you on the dais. Dr. Alok Mukherjee, sir, Professor and Principal of United Institute of Pharmacy, Allahabad. Sir, I welcome you on the dais.
With a huge round of applause, let's welcome sir on the dais. Professor Dr. Rohit Dutt, Principal, GMN College, Ambala. Sir, I welcome you on the dais. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome sir on the dais. Dr. Gaurav Kathwas, Associate Dean and Professor Head of Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University. Sir, I welcome you on the dais. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome sir on the dais. Dr. Akash Ved, sir, Associate Dean Pharmacy in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome sir on the dais. And our moderator, Dr. Jyotsna Dwivedi ma'am, Associate Professor, PSIT Kanpur. Ma'am, I welcome you on the dais. With a huge round of applause, let's welcome ma'am on the dais.
Thank you, Kajal. Moving ahead with our panel discussion, Okay, so thanks to Kajal. Moving ahead with our panel discussion, I, Anvi Pandey,
and I, Divya Puri,
feel glad to introduce our first panelist.
Our first honorary personality is Professor Dr. Devendra Pathak, presently working as Dean, Faculty of Pharmacy in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow, and Director of Rajiv Academy for Pharmacy, Mathura. Sir has more than 32 years of teaching and research experience, having published 180 research papers and review articles of national and international repute. He is a recipient of several awards, including Rashtriya Shiksha Gaurav Puraskar 2023, Lifetime Achievement Award in 2022, Leadership Award in Education Excellence in 2019, Fellowship Award 2014. He has also served as the President of Association of Pharmacy Teachers of India, Uttar Pradesh. I invite Dr. Vikram Sahu, Principal of Maharana Pratap Group of Colleges, to felicitate Dr. Devendra Pathak with a bouquet.
Sir, Dr. Vikram Sahu, sir.
Dr. Vikram Sahu, we welcome you on the dais.
I think Dr. Vikram Sahu is not here. Dr. Vishal Bhargav, please come.
Sir, we welcome you on the dais. A huge round of applause, please.
We are honored to have a renowned personality both in academia and research, Dr. Kamla Pathak Ma'am. With a teaching and research experience of more than 31 years, is currently working as Dean and Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, Uttar Pradesh University of Medical Sciences, Etawah. Actively engaged in research on oral, controlled, targeted, and topical drug delivery systems, Ma'am has over 270 publications in journals of international and national repute, 3 patents, 4 books, 21 book chapters, and more than 180 abstracts of the papers presented in various scientific forums are to her credit. Ma'am was awarded with R.L. Nicord Award, Eminent Teacher Award, and Research Excellence Award. Also associated with Indian pharmaceutical industry in the capacity of scientific consultant, credited as reviewer of scientific products by Knowledge Foundation Sweden and Israel Science Foundation. Ma'am is an invited member of American Nano Society. In a list released by Stanford University in 2020 and 21, Ma'am was enlisted among the top 2% Indian scientists in pharmacology. Ma'am, we are grateful to have you here. I request Professor Dr. Manju Pandey Ma'am, Director of Sri Ram Swarup Memorial University, to felicitate Ma'am Kamla Pathak. Ma'am, we welcome you on the dais. A huge round of applause, please.
The next personality indeed is truly versatile and illustrious. Dr. Vibhu Sahani sir, Professor and Head of Pharmacy in LLRM Medical College, a member of several reputed organizations like member of RGC and Board of Studies in various government and private universities, a life member of various national and international pharmacy profession associations like International Pharmaceutical Federation, APTI, IPA. Sir was also a member of Pharmacy Council of India, Delhi, and currently he is the Nodal Officer of the UP Medicine Supply Corporation, Lucknow. Also a member of Education Regulation Committee, Pharmacy Council of India, Sir has also received an appreciation letter from President of Pharmacy Council of India for his remarkable work in various capacities as a member in Task Force of PCI. I request Dr. Anupam K. Sachan sir, Professor of Dayanand Deenanath College of Pharmacy, to felicitate Dr. Vibhu Sahani sir with a bouquet.
Sir, we welcome you. A round of applause, please. The next dignitary we have is Professor Dr. Alok Mukherjee, presently working as Professor and Principal of United Institute of Pharmacy, Allahabad, and with a work experience of more than 26 years. Sir is an active speaker and has presided over many national and international seminars and conferences. His research is primarily based on the phytopharmacological activity of some herbal drugs for their hepatoprotective activity. Sir is also a life member of prestigious organizations such as APTI, IPGA, Indian Society of Pharmacognosy, etc., and published innumerable national and international research papers. I invite Dr. Gaurav Tiwari sir, Professor, PSIT Pharmacy, to felicitate Dr. Alok Mukherjee sir with a bouquet. Sir, we welcome you. A huge round of applause, please. A huge round of applause, please.
Professor Dr. Rohit Dutt is a versatile educationist and admirable administrator, a confident leader, and a self-motivated and influential personality with more than 19 years of experience in academics and research. Presently working as principal in GMN College, Ambala. His research areas include lead identification and optimization, chemical computation, structure activity property relationship, pharmaceutical quality control, pharmaceutical technology, and biotechnology. Presently, he is pursuing research in the field of anti-cancer drug development from natural sources. He has also been honored with APTI Best Young Pharmacy Teacher of the Year Award in 2015 and the Teaching Excellence Award 2021 by ASMA for his excellent contribution in the field of pharmacy education. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Neeraj Kumar, Principal of Samarpan College of Pharmacy, to felicitate Dr. Rohit Dutt with a bouquet.
I request Professor Dr. Karuna Shankar sir, Director of Goel College of Pharmacy, Lucknow, to please come on the dais.
Sir, we welcome you. A huge round of applause, please. Our next panelist, Dr. Gaurav Ketwas, sir, Associate Dean and Professor Head, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University. His areas of specialization include fatty acid synthase and bioactive lipids mediated regulation in hypoxia-inducible factor 1 alpha. Also a member of professional bodies like Association of Pharmacy Teachers of India, Science Advisory Board USA, and a life member of Laboratory Animal Science Association of India and Zoology Society of India, and an author of numerous international and national books and monographs, a recipient of several prestigious awards like Research and Academic Excellence Award 2020, Young Scientist Award, European Institute of Scientific Research on Ayurveda, Netherlands. I invite Dr. Manish Raj Goyal, sir, Director, Vimla Institute of Pharmacy, to felicitate Dr. Gaurav Ketwas, sir, with a bouquet. Sir, we welcome you to the dais. A huge round of applause, please.
It's a privilege to introduce you to our next panelist, Dr. Akash Ved, sir. Sir is currently working as the Associate Dean Pharmacy in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University and has more than 15 years of experience in the field of academic development in pharmacy at several positions as professor, proctor, PhD supervisor, nodal officer, examiner, and member of BOS in AKTU, Integral University, and Maharishi University of Information Technology. Sir is the National Joint Secretary in Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India and has published more than 50 papers in Scopus and Web of Sciences Index journals. Dr. Ved, sir, has expertise in pharmaceutical chemistry, including phytochemistry, pharmacology, natural products associated with hepatoprotective activity and anti-cancer activity, and specifically the central nervous system disorders. I would like to invite Mrs. Malti Arya to felicitate Dr. Akash Ved, sir, with a bouquet.
Ma'am, we welcome you to the dais. A huge round of applause, please.
I request Dr. Vishal Dubey sir, Ms. Shilpi Mishra ma'am, Dr. Isha Yadav sir ma'am, Dr. Manju Pandey ma'am, Dr. Marina Shankar Shukla sir, Dr. Ramesh Singh, Sir, Dr. Anupam Kumar Siberia, Sir, Dr. Anuradha Mishra, Ma'am, Dr. Prashant Katiyar, Sir, Dr. Malti Arya, Ma'am, and Dr. Stuti Verma, Ma'am, to kindly judge our oral presentation. We have the escort for the oral presentations.
It is my pleasure to invite the moderator of the event, Dr. Jyotsna Dwivedi Ma'am, Associate Professor, PSIT Pharmacy, to moderate the event. Ma'am, we welcome you. A huge round of applause, please.
Thank you, Anvi. So, good afternoon to one and all. Without further ado, let's begin our session. So, my first question will be to Dr. Devendra Pathak, sir. Sir, what IPR provides to our young pharmapreneurs? What IPR provides to our young pharmapreneurs?
Actually, intellectual property right, when we say intellectual property right, this basically consists of four constituent. First is generation of idea. So when idea comes, then second is preparing invention. What invention you want to make or what is the outcome of that idea. Then third is application of patent, then how you apply the patent, and the final is the commercialization, which is the topic of the today's. And the IPR, as you know, we have a subject also in M-Form. So whatever invention you are doing, you should commercialize it and you should get benefit of it. That is the main idea which we are going to the student, which we are giving to the student, so that whatever ideas they are having, that should be converted into the invention, and then to the patent, and then to the commercialization. So that's the basic idea we want to give to the students.
Okay, thank you, sir. So the final outcome is commercialization. In the concluding, I would also like to ask Dr. Vibhu Sahani, sir. Sir, what are the potential risks in commercializing research?
See, there is a lot of investment in the research, right? And there are chances of the success also and the failure also. So we should have to take care of all those aspects in that. So the clinical trials and the positive results are very important in that aspects. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Moving ahead, I would like to ask Dr. Kamla Pathak, ma'am. Ma'am, please tell that in such a long time, what major drawbacks in research lab you found that constrains the product to come into the market?
Okay, good afternoon everyone. I think the question is, what are the hurdles of a research lab?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, research lab is a very huge term. एंड जब भी रिसर्च लैब की बात होती है ना, तो पीपल कोरिलेट की भाई फिल्म में जैसी बहुत सोफिस्टिकेटेड लैब दिखाई जाती है जिसमें से नाइट्रोजन गैस निकल रही है, डिफरेंट कलर सॉल्यूशन. आई मस्ट से दैट रिसर्च डजंट मीन दैट यू हैव टू हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ सेटअप, राइट. फर्स्ट थिंग इज देयर शुड बी स्पॉन्टेनिटी. जैसे न्यूटन ने एप्पल को गिरते देखा तो उसके दिमाग में आइडिया आया कि वाई इज़ द एप्पल फॉलिंग डाउन. Likewise, what I want to say is, this idea is also a research. और उसके लिए कोई lab नहीं चाहिए थी. He was just sitting under the tree. So you know, don't need a huge research lab to do research. पहले तो ये concept ही निकालना पड़ेगा. You need an idea. An idea means you should be creative enough to have that idea. Now, talking about creativity, that is imagination. और आज की डेट में जब artificial intelligence इतनी ज़्यादा है, we have chat GPT, right? Latest यही है ना artificial intelligence में, and it is killing the creativity. Artificial intelligence is taking over the creativity, and this is dangerous. That is the major hurdle. For me, artificial intelligence, if not used properly, is the major hurdle for research. क्योंकि जब तक creativity नहीं होगी तब तक वो materialize नहीं होगा. So that is the biggest hurdle. Then mental blockade. Anybody can do research, that you have to develop that confidence that you can do research. And research doesn't mean कि आपको हर बार कोई outstanding product market में launch करना है. It is not like that. It is just you can float an idea, you can commercialize that idea. You can develop a patent, you can develop a design, you can patent that. You can develop a product, you can do that. आपको अपना potential tap करना है कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं, and then there would not be any hurdle. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Very well answered. So it's all about globality and creativity. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to ask Dr. Rohit Dutt, sir. Sir, please share your views that why academic patents are lacking in generation review and commercialization.
So, good afternoon, PSIT. The question is relevant, but I think we need to take leaf out of the address by Dr. Dipendra Singh in the morning, that we have just started protecting our IPR rights. Still, it's a new concept. We need to appreciate the effort of academic unit. They are participating in this patenting and IPR protection. It's a sincere effort by the Indian government. Still, we are far behind the foreign national as comparison to number of patents. If you can see the number of patents in China, it's around 5 lakh per year. And in the latest year, India has filed only 48,000 patents. So still, academic patents are a requirement of NAC, NIRF. I think that is the promoting figure right now. That's why in the race of getting the grades, in the race of getting NIRF ranking, we are sensing the huge surge in the patenting by the academic unit because they are not well thought. I'm not questioning anybody like the Institute of National Importance, but if you go through the patenting of Indian education system, largely you will find that design patents are there that don't have any commercial value. So there is a gap between the industry and academia, and we have sensed this gap over the last, I think, 50 years. We have debated much on this topic, but still a substantial effort is not initiated at any level. I think nowadays, after COVID-19, the companies like Eli Lilly, they have offered the leading institution to come forward. They have different ideas, they have different research which need to be taken forward. So the academic unit can collaborate with these companies and plant such patents. And when you are going for any IPR rights, you are patenting a research that is of commercial value. We need to think that there can be a negative result also. So a teacher has a fear that if the results are negative, then what credit the teacher will get from that research. So that credit must be given to the faculty member in terms of API or any parameters by the universities or the government itself, so that they can do research very freely, they can concentrate on their research, and then they can interact with the industry. So I think at the government level and the academic level, I think both need to club together.
Okay, sir. I think it is the only reason why India is, comparative to Australia and Germany, India is lacking in this field. So, sir, continue. I will ask you that. Is it ethical to add higher number of patents in a single invention?
Another question?
Yes, sir.
What is the question?
Sir, is it ethical to add higher number of patentees in a single invention?
Is it?
In single invention, it is ethical to add high number of patents.
No,
in single invention.
One cannot limit. I think it depends upon the kind of research that you are doing. If you are manufacturing a new product, altogether there are different processes to make that particular products. So nobody is going to stop you for the different processes itself.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now moving towards Dr. Akash Ved, sir. Sir, how IPR is important in the educational institute?
IPR is the key focus area for the students in educational institutions, as it is essential to nurture creativity and innovation among the students. And respected Pathak sir already told about that. IPR is having several verticals like patent, trademark, copyright, design, geographical indication, and etc. And one can commercialize his or her research by using these tools. And in other words, we can say development of new technology requires commercialization, commercial partners, investment. जब भी कोई न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप करेंगे तो हमको कुछ ना कुछ इन्वेस्टमेंट चाहिए कमर्शियल पार्टनर से. एंड IPR इज द single tool by which we can get that investment from the commercial partner. So IPR is very much important. So by using this IPR, our students, our faculty members can commercialize research and innovation. Thank you.
Truly said, sir. Thank you, sir. Now we'd like to ask Dr. Alok Mukherjee, sir. Sir, what are the major drawbacks in laboratory research of our curriculum?
Good afternoon, everybody. This is a very good question that why we are lacking behind. As Dr. Rohit Dutt had also highlighted that thing, and Dr. Kamala Madam also said that what we are doing in our lab is not sufficient for giving a patent or doing a good research, especially because we have a good idea. Our new brains or this coming up budding pharmacists have a new ideas are also there, but we need better instrumentation, better implementation of these instruments were idea, and we also develop that innovative idea to be in a floor and get a better and better publication and patent also. And for that we need a good tutor also, the professionals also in colleges, which can make these implementation of ideas into the floor of research, especially in the society, to who has given a better commercialization of this type of research, especially for the patent, especially.
Okay, thank you, sir. Now I would like to ask Dr. Gaurav Kathwal, sir. Sir, patents grants takes years to commercialize. If somebody in between copied the patent, then is it possible to protect the same patent?
You want to say that I have a patent granted,
Yes, sir.
and during the process of commercialization, somebody has utilized my patent or copied the patent to get another
Yes, sir.
patent.
Yes, sir. So is there any way to save our patent?
See, if you have been granted a patent, the grant is for 20 years. There is no provision that anybody can copy it off actually. Anybody can infringe into your patent. They can take something out of your patent and start manufacturing. Like suppose I got a patent for a manufacturing of some particular tablet. I got it for 20 years. Within 5 years, before I could commercialize it, somebody got my patent details and started manufacturing it by own. In any case, either somebody starts its manufacturing it completely or copies the idea partially. In both ways, it is a complete infringement of the patent. The court of law is available. You can go to the court of law with the proper documentation that this is my patent, this is what I was granted, these are my documentation, and this is how my patent has been infringed. And then the court will give you the relief. It is in the same way that you got a property and somebody is trying to encroach your property. The court of law is there always to help you out in that matter. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. My next question is to Dr. Vibhu Sahani, sir. Sir, as with the motive of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, the youth of India is inclining towards providing employment. So how that has influence on our pharmapreneurs?
That's a very good question. Hello. It's a very good question. First of all, I want to request to all my loving students, please focus. This program is for you. I'm just looking to all of you. All are chatting with each other. See, all the eminent peoples are sitting here. Have some knowledge from them. This is a very good opportunity for you to learn, right? So please focus on this particular portal. Yeah. With respect to your question, ma'am, as the dream of our Modi ji sir, our PM sir, that Startup India, Make in India, Heal by India, these are the very prominent programs. So I just, in this particular time, I just want to speak on the pharma startup. In pharma startup, see, if we see the top 10 pharma startup in India, like you can say the NutMed is there, or you can say the Tata Health is there, Health Wi-Fi is there. So many are people, those are ranging from the 500 million to the 2000 millions business they have raised up the fund in even India itself. So my suggestion to my loving student is that instead of thinking for the job, we should think how we can create the job, right? What I observed in the present scenario, 80% of your field is occupied by the non-pharmacy people. समझ रहे हैं आप लोग? 80% आपका जो अधिकार है वो नॉन फार्मा पीपल ने ऑक्यूपाई किया हुआ है, वो पूरा गैप है। हम लोग सोचते हैं कि फार्मास्यूटिकल, हमारा जो जॉब है वो फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री है या फार्मास्यूटिकल इंस्टीट्यूट है या R&D है, QC है या फार्मूलेशन या डेवलपमेंट है, एकेडमिक्स है, ऐसा नहीं है। हमारा इनपुट इट कैन बी देयर फ्रॉम, if you see some bottle, even if you see some syrup, right? In one syrup, there is, bottle is there, label is there, capping is there, sealing is there. So, in your syllabus, you are studying everything. If you see the bottle, you are studying the type of glass, clarity of the glass, leaching of the glass. If you see the labeling, you study all those things in the labeling also. If you see the excipients, you study all the things in excipients also. Even the water also, even the capping also. So you can think how you can create a different job in different aspects of any formulation. Instead of thinking कि यार job नहीं मिल रहा, right? So you should think for the pharma startup now. This is the right time for that, and you are getting a lot of opportunity and the support from the government also. Thank you, ma'am.
Very well said, sir. So looking towards to current scenario, my next question is to Dr. Kamla Pathak, ma'am. Ma'am, has COVID-19 hampered the research lab outcomes of young pharmacists of India?
Okay, we are going back to COVID-19 again, right? COVID-19 affected us in lots of ways. Like today, we are sitting here, so many people in one hall, we were not doing that then. And even research was hampered then. Students were not coming to the lab, especially only the PhD students probably were coming to the labs. They were doing some research. But एक excuse तो था, क्योंकि I took so many vivas, तो आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछो कि ये क्यों नहीं किया, कोविड-19 की वजह से नहीं किया। तो कोविड-19 ने ये तो बहुत साथ दिया लोगों का कि रिसर्च ना होते हुए भी उनको PG डिग्रीज मिल गई और PhDs मिल गई। दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट स्टोरी, बट व्हाट आई वांट टू से इज़ कि रिसर्च एबिलिटी को नहीं हैम्पर किया उसने रिसर्च एबिलिटी को नहीं हैम्पर किया, क्रिएटिविटी को हैम्पर नहीं किया, थिंकिंग को नहीं हैम्पर किया। लाइक फॉर अराउंड अ डिकेड एगो अगर हम स्यूटिक्स की बात करें तो वी वर मेकिंग माइक्रो फॉर्मुलेशंस, माइक्रो साइज फॉर्मुलेशंस और म्यूकोएडेसिव फॉर्मुलेशंस, बट नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग ओनली ऑफ नैनो फॉर्मुलेशन। तो कोविड ने कुछ इफेक्ट नहीं किया, हम 10 साल से ही हम शुरू हो गए थे नैनो फॉर्मुलेशंस की बात करने के लिए। इट्स ओनली दैट नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग ऑफ नैनो फॉर्मुलेशंस फॉर जीन थेरेपी, फॉर माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल टारगेटिंग एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स। सो इन माई ओपिनियन एबिलिटी हैज़ नॉट बीन हैम्पर्ड, बस पेस थोड़ी सी पेस कम हो गई थी, ब्रेक लग गया था। अगेन वी आर ऑन द सेम ट्रैक एंड विल डेफिनेटली आउटस्टैंड द वर्ल्ड। यू कैन सी द नंबर ऑफ पब्लिकेशंस, इंडियंस बहुत पब्लिश करते हैं, तो नथिंग हैज़ हैम्पर्ड बाई कोविड-19. It was temporary.
Explained, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. My next question is to Dr. Akash Ved, sir. Sir, does the gap between the industry and the R&D institutes hampering innovations in India?
इसका मैं आंसर आपको देता हूँ। सबसे पहले तो मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि इंडिया हैज़ गॉन अ लॉन्ग वे in terms of investment in R&Ds. Starting from 1947 to till date, our government's emphasis on science and technology leads to development of many R&D institutions. We are having many R&D labs in pharmacy too. CSIR labs लखनऊ में ही हमारे पास 4 हैं, इस तरह से पूरे इंडिया में फैली हुई हैं. तो इन सब का जो डेवलपमेंट हुआ है, अब 2014 से पहले जो हमारी जितनी रिसर्च लैब्स थी, वहाँ पर कॉमर्शलाइजेशन के लिए उतना एम्फेसिस नहीं था. वहाँ के जो साइंटिस्ट थे, आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगा, वहाँ पे पेपर्स, पेटेंट से ज़्यादा पेपर्स पे वो उनका एम्फेसिस था कि आपका जो है API बढ़ेगा, आपका प्रमोशन जल्दी होगा. तो उनका सारा जो रिसर्च था वो पेपर पे कंसंट्रेट हो गया था. लेकिन 2014 के बाद हमारे जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर हैं नरेंद्र मोदी जी, उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने कहा कि आपकी जो लैब्स हैं उनका जो बजट है उसका 20% आपको खुद अर्न करना पड़ेगा. मतलब कि आपको 20% पैसा कॉमर्स, अपने जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं आप रिसर्च करिए, उनको मार्केट में लाइए. मार्केट में लाने के लिए क्या चाहिए, इंडस्ट्री के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग चाहिए. तो आपको IPR करना है, इंडस्ट्री के साथ मार्केट में लाना है और उससे पैसा अर्न करना है, और उस 20% से आप अपना खर्चा चलाओगे. तो जहाँ CDRI वगैरह में हम लोग जाते थे, वहाँ पे पहले बड़ा खिलाया पिलाया जाता था लोगों को। अब कंडीशन ये आ गई थी कि चाय के भी पैसे नहीं थे उनके पास। कई बार गए तो पता लगा कि ये हमारा बजट कर्टेल कर दिया गया गवर्नमेंट ने। तो ये हमारी गवर्नमेंट की दूरदृष्टि है, हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर की है, कि उन्होंने कहा कि आप जो भी रिसर्च करो वो पेपर में सीमित ना रह जाए, उसको आप कॉमर्शलाइज करिए और पब्लिक के लिए लाइए। तो इस पे एम्फेसिस चल रहा है। थैंक यू।
Okay, thank you, sir. As we know that our town hall is filled with the students today, so I would like my next question to ask to Dr. Gaurav Kathwas, sir. Sir, what are the roles and responsibilities of IPR professionals?
IPR professionals, it's a big term actually.
Yes, sir.
It's a very broad area. It's something, it starts from a local lawyer who is practicing IPR in high courts or the patent courts, or the patent attorney sitting in the office, or the patent agent who is working or filing the patents, or the lawyers or the professionals, pharmaceutical professionals who are working for the pharmaceutical companies for the development and filing of the intellectual property. Now at every stage, every IPR professional has a different role to play. Like the patent agent, they are usually a facilitators. They facilitate between the pharmaceutical company or any client of theirs, and between the patent office, so that the filing and all the process could be eased off. Same way the patent agent may also help us, sometimes they also help us to commercialize the intellectual property, whatsoever it has been granted. If the client or the company wants it to be commercialized, they also help us out to commercialize the property. On the other way, if I talk about the IPR professionals sitting in the patent offices, patent attorneys, patent controllers, they have a very huge responsibilities on their shoulders. They look after what has been granted, or whatsoever the application is coming to them. They have to scrutinize the application. They have to check out whether it is, the invention is patentable or not patentable. It's a huge responsibility, because last month I was contesting for one of my patent with the patent controller, and it was really tough task for me to convince the controller ki no, it is grantable, it is not available over there, because she was carrying few documents in her hands ki this is already reported somewhere in the literature. So they have, in the other way, they have a big responsibility that they shouldn't infringe into somebody else's patent. They should not grant a patent to the information or knowledge which is already available in the society by any terms, either in terms of literature or in terms of the past practices, whatsoever it may be. The third type of professionals are the lawyer IPR professionals. They are special patent lawyers. Those basically, they are lawyers, LLB personals, those who have the experience of the patents. Not only patents in terms of patents, they have the experience in the copyrights, trademarks, industrial design, geographical designs. They have experience in all this, and these people, they actually look after the infringement. As the first question you have asked to me, the infringement, these people, they look after the infringement cases in the court of law, and they tries to protect the client's property in terms of the intellect right granted to him or her or a company in due course of time. Thank you.
Sir, in addition to your answer, I would like to ask one more question, that how to become patent agent?
The both things are connected and well asked also. How many of the students sitting over here are B Pharm third year and fourth year students? Can raise your hands, please. Good. Job चाहिए? नहीं चाहिए? चाहिए. So it is patent agent one, but madam has asked. See, I have been interacting with these people, and this is the area where I found the pharmacy people are very less. As Hani sir has said, there is a big gap, big space available over there. In last 10 years, जितने भी पेटेंट कंट्रोलर से इंटरेक्शन हुआ है, सब या तो लाइफ साइंस के होते हैं, या बायोटेक्नोलॉजी के होते हैं, या बीटेक किए हुए होते हैं. फार्मेसी का एक भी पेटेंट कंट्रोलर मुझे आज तक नहीं मिला है. और मैं हर बार जब भी मेरा इंटरेक्शन होता है तो मुझे लगता है कोई एक तो होगा. And how to become that controller, that there are specific exams which are conducted by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, ठीक है, for the controller. And the minimum qualification is a graduation could be anything, it may be BTech, it may be life sciences, BSc or pharmacy also. And all these people they are eligible to apply for that. Apart from that, there is an exam which is called as a patent agent. This is a key. I have been telling in my class, I have been telling to my students ki go for it. Patent agent is an exam which is individual exam which is conducted by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. साल में एक बार होता है, जनवरी में इसका फॉर्म आता है यूजुअली. मार्च अप्रैल मई के आसपास में ये लोग एग्ज़ाम कराते हैं. बहुत स्पेशलाइज्ड एग्ज़ाम है, बट बहुत अच्छा प्रोफाइल और बहुत अच्छा पोर्टफोलियो है. द मोमेंट इट इज़ लाइक सिंपली क्वालिफाइंग एग्ज़ाम and denoting yourself as a patent agent. You will get a demarcation that you are a patent agent. You can practice as a patent attorney outside. You can practice as in the court also. और इन सबसे ज़्यादा important होता है the pharmaceutical industries. The moment they get a B Pharm who has qualified patent agent exam, he is like they got a pearl. They search for a M Pharm or a B Pharm person who has qualified the patent agent examination, and then they hire him. They themselves send them to for a higher education like LLB abroad. I know 2 or 3 of my friends who did B Pharm with me. They qualified patent agent. They moved abroad, Australia, on the expenditure of the company to do LLB, and now they are very well settled. And it's a very good opportunity for you guys. जहाँ पे बहुत सारा space है. बहुत सारा स्पेस है. थोड़ा सा एग्जाम टफ है, आई वुड से इट इज स्लाइटली टफ, बट देर आर 2 प्लेटफॉर्म्स वेयर यू कैन गेट द हेल्प अबाउट इट. वन इज द नीपम, ठीक है, नेशनल IP एक्सेलरेशन मिशन, एंड अनदर वन इज द टाइफेक. यू कैन गो टू द बोथ ऑफ द वेबसाइट. NIPAM they used to conduct online courses for the training for the patent agent examination. And on the TIFEC website also, you will get lot of material with regard to patent agent examination. And I love to see, someday I am sitting and defending my patent application, and I'll see that okay, the controller is a pharmacy person. I would be very happy person on over here ki I am defending my patent, and my agent is saying कि no sir, ये तो फार्मेसी वाली कंट्रोलर है या कंट्रोलर है, आपकी हेल्प करेंगे, चिंता मत कीजिए. तो आई वुड लव टू सी एनीबडी कमिंग आउट ऑफ हियर. प्लीज गो फॉर इट. इट्स अ ओपन स्पेस, कोई नहीं है वहाँ पे. मूव इन. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Very well explained, sir. My next question is to Dr. Devendra Pathak, sir. Sir, what suggestions or guidance you would like to give the young pharmacist of India as per your experience?
Actually, as per my experience, pharmacy is a very wide field, and you have got so many avenues after doing B Pharm, M Pharm or PhD. I don't think there is any other area where such avenues are there. If you opt for medical or MBBS, you will become only doctor. If you will opt for BTech, you will become only engineer. But if you opt for pharmacy, you have number of avenues. You can go in the hospital, industry, quality control, R&D, production, sales, marketing, pharmacovigilance. Number of avenues are there. So my suggestion is that you work hard, study well, as Dr. Dipendra said in the morning. You should know your subject thoroughly. You should be master of your subject. No one should know better than you. Even doctors should not know better than you about the medicines. You should be the master of the medicine, about the drug interactions, about the drug-food interactions. Whatever specialization you do, you should be master of that, and then the sky is the limit. And secondly, work hard. There is no substitute for hard work. You have to work hard. Don't go for shortcuts, because they allure you, but they will not give you any remarkable results in the future. So work hard, have high targets in the life, and go with 100%. Give your 100%, and then sky is the limit. So many students comes to us that whether we should go to the marketing, whether we should go to the production, whether quality control, quality assurance. There is only one answer. You choose any section. Sky is the limit. There is no problem with any area. You can rise up to any level. You select any field and do your best. The sky is the limit. So go ahead. My best wishes are with the students, and be positive in your attitude. Always think positive and go ahead. Then sky is the limit. Thank you.
Truly said, sir. Further, I would like to ask my next question to Dr. Alak Mukherjee, sir. Sir, what is the current scenario of commercialization of pharmacy product in the market?
Well, it's a very good question, because today's hour is required for the commercialization. Unless we don't go for our product to the society, what we have to be a part, it is not a part of a matter of fact. Means हमें वो प्रोडक्ट बनाना है जो कि हम सोसाइटी को दे सकें, हमारे जनरेशन्स को, हमारे लोगों को, हमारे मरीजों को पहुंचा सकें. And for that we need a product which should be commercialized. And this is the important part. Whatever the intellectual property or patent we are doing, it should be in a such a way that it can reach to the society and it can be useful for the society. And for that, we need to interact with the people, those who can make them available to the society by making the interaction with the commercialization with the industries, or the people, those who can buy it, the people that they can make it in propagation in a larger number of the society, or we can make it patent in a such a way that can be useful for the society. So my mean is to that जो भी हम प्रोडक्ट बनाएं उसका उपयोग हमारा सोसाइटी तक जाए, हमारी जनरेशन को मिले, हमारे मरीजों तक मिले, हमारे प्रोडक्ट को वो यूज़ कर सकें. और यही कमर्शलाइजेशन के लिए हमको इंटरेक्ट करना है विद द इंडस्ट्रीज or the people those who are in the industry. They can come forward and we can sell these patent or our intellectual idea to them to make it proper use of the society. I think you can answer it.
Lastly, I would like to conclude this section with last question to Dr. Vibhu Sahani, sir. Sir, what are your guidance to current pharmacists of India?
मुझे लगता है बच्चे सीरियस हो गए. थोड़ा सा मैं लास्ट टाइम थोड़ा बच्चों को फोकस करने को बोला, लेकिन आपके काम का दिन है आज, संडे नहीं है. आज जो आप लेके जाओगे ना वो ताउम्र आपके काम आएगा. और जैसा कि आपने कहा मेरी क्या गाइडेंस और क्या सजेशन इन फार्मासिस्ट के बच्चों के लिए, तो मैं अपने फार्मासिस्ट, अपने जूनियर, अपने प्यारे स्टूडेंट्स को यही मैसेज देना चाहूँगा. मेरे को जब मैं आपकी तरह था तो हमारे समय में एक कलाम अंजी जी रेड्डी हुआ करते थे, कलाम अंजी जी रेड्डी, और ही वाज द ओनर ऑफ द रेड्डी लैबोरेटरी अहमदाबाद. तो ही वाज इन यूएस, ही वाज डूइंग द रिसर्च स्कॉलर्स, आप में से कुछ लोग अभी भी कर रहे हैं. तो उस समय रेनिटिडीन एक प्रोडक्ट था, रेनिटिडीन हाइड्रोक्लोराइड, जेंटेक के नाम से ग्लैक्सो का पेटेंट था. और चूँकि आज पेटेंट का इशू है तो मैं आज डिस्कस करना चाहूँगा इस स्टोरी को, जो आप लोगों को काफ़ी काम आएगा. तो जो अंजी और रेड्डी साहब भी यूएस में थे और उन्होंने जो रेनिटिडीन पे वहाँ पे काम कर रहे थे, रेनिटिडीन हाइड्रोक्लोराइड पे, और एज यू नो इट्स एंटी अल्सर ड्रग. उस समय बड़ा हॉट केक था. उस समय प्रोटोन पम्प इनहिबिटर, ये सब ओमेप्राजोल, पेंटाप्राजोल, ये एबिप्राजोल, ये सब कुछ नहीं था. ये फेमोटिडिन भी बाद में आया, सिर्फ वही रेनिटिडीन ही होता था. वो एसिडिटी का रामबाण था, डायजिन के बाद रेनिटिडीन से काम हो जाएगा. एंड यू वॉन्ट बिलीव 25 रुपये की गोली होती थी रेनिटिडीन की, ग्लैक्सो की. 250 रुपीज़ का स्ट्रिप था उस सस्ते ज़माने में, इन द ईयर 90s. तो डॉक्टर रेड्डी के जो अंजी रेड्डी जी थे वो यूएस में थे और वो देख रहे थे कि ये ऐसे करके रेनिटिडीन इंडिया में इतना कॉस्टली बिक रहा है. उन्होंने अपने टैलेंट को अपने इंडिया के लिए यूज़ किया. और मैं वही कहने जा रहा हूँ कि उन्होंने स्टडी किया, वहाँ देखा कि ये जो है ये प्रोसेस पेटेंट है, ये इनका प्रोडक्ट पेटेंट नहीं है. समझ रहे हैं आप? मेरी आवाज़ आ रही है पीछे?
उन्होंने ये ऑब्जर्व किया कि ये प्रोसेस पेटेंट है, प्रोडक्ट पेटेंट नहीं है, और उन्होंने इसको अपनी इंडिया हैदराबाद लैब के अंदर आके थोड़ा सा उसके सिंथेटिक प्रोसीजर को चेंज किया, सम हाइड्रोक्सिलेशन और कार्बोक्सिलेशन को ऊपर नीचे करके अपने प्रोसेस को चेंज किया, और उन्होंने उस प्रोसेस को इंडिया में द्वारा पेटेंट करा दिया। और वही टैबलेट जो 25 रुपए की गोली बिक रहा था, वो 75 पैसे में इंडियंस को अवेलेबल करा दिया। समझ रहे ना आप? तो आपकी नॉलेज, आपका एंथुसियाज्म, मैं नहीं कह रहा पैसे के पीछे भागो, आप ईमानदारी से मेहनत करो, नॉलेज गेन करो, यही टाइम है, पैसा अपने आप आपके पीछे आएगा। मैंने अपने हाथों से स्टोव, गैस, वो हाथ वाला जो स्टोव होता है, अब आता है कि नहीं आता, जो है एक्सटिंक्ट हो गया, मैंने उसमें स्टार्च पेस्ट बनाया हुआ है। और एट द सेम टाइम ये मार्क शॉव एंड डॉव मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी थी, ये मैरिन लिमिटेड बाद में बना। सोमवार से लेके शुक्रवार तक मैं एक मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी में काम करता था, और शनिवार इतवार को मैं एक स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री में नीचे बैठ के स्टोव के अंदर स्टार्च पेस्ट बनाता था। और वहां पे इंस्ट्रक्शन थे मेरे फादर के उस ओनर को कि इसको चपरासी से लेके एमडी तक का सारा काम सिखाना, बिकॉज वी वांट टू स्टार्ट आवर ओन इंडस्ट्री यूनिट इन लखनऊ, एंड वी स्टार्टेड। सो कहाँ पे क्या चीज काम आएगी, कैसे QC R&D में झगड़ा होता है, कहाँ पे प्रोडक्शन में R&D में झगड़ा है, कहाँ पे क्या है, दैट यू विल ओनली अंडरस्टैंड व्हेन यू डू वर्क विद योर हैंड। आप कहो मैंने बुक में पढ़ लिया, एक्सपेरिमेंट करने की जरूरत क्या है, तो उससे काम नहीं चलेगा, हाथ से काम करना ही पड़ेगा। एक और चीज मुझे आज याद आ रही है, मेरे समय में एक मशीन मैन हुआ करता था, और मैं टैबलेट बनाता था। वहाँ पे टैबलेट बनाने में ना स्टूल ऑफर नहीं होता था, 8-8, 10-10 घंटे हमको वो तो टैबलेटिंग रूम में खड़ा होना पड़ता था। ठीक है, हो गया बड़े बाप के बेटे, पर वहाँ पे आप काम सीखने आए हो तो आपको खड़ा रहना पड़ेगा। खड़े रहते थे, बहुत नींद आती थी लेकिन खड़े रहते थे। तो वहाँ पे जो मशीन मैन था ना, हम लोग तो LOD वगैरह निकालते हैं, लॉस ऑन ड्राइंग निकालते हैं ग्रेजुलेशन करते वक्त, फार्मास्यूटिक्स में आप लोग भी सब करते होंगे। वो जो मशीन मैन था वो क्या करता था, वो जो हम लोग मिक्सिंग करते हैं, मिक्सिंग बिफोर द ग्रेजुलेशन, वो पाउडर के जो मिक्सचर था उसको वो एक बॉल बना के ऐसे करके उछाल दिया करता था हवा में अपने सिर की हाइट तक, और उछालने के बाद में वो जो लड्डू होता था, वो लड्डू कितने पार्ट में टूट रहा है वो बताता था कि इसका मॉइस्चर कंटेंट कितना है। अगर वो लड्डू 3 पार्ट में टूटा है तो उसका LOD ठीक है, अभी आप इसको ड्राइंग में लगा दो, ग्रेजुलेशन कर दो। अगर वो लड्डू नहीं टूटा तो मॉइस्चर अभी भी उसके अंदर है, अभी उसको और उसका मॉइस्चर कंटेंट हमको कम करना है। अगर वो लड्डू नीचे टूट के चूरा बन जाता है तो मतलब वो ज्यादा ड्राई हो गया, उसको और मॉइस्चर इंकॉर्पोरेट करना है। सो ये सारी चीजें हाथ से करने से ही आएंगी। आप बोलोगे कि हमने रेमिंगटन पढ़ लिया, कूपरगंज पढ़ लिया, खाली बुक पढ़ लिया, लैब में नहीं गए, तो उससे काम नहीं चलेगा। सो दिस इज माय गाइडेंस टू ऑल माय लविंग स्टूडेंट, प्लीज यू डू योर वर्क विद योर ओन हैंड, बी रेगुलर इन द क्लास, बी रेगुलर इन द लैब्स। थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम।
Thank you, sir. Thanking you all for your valuable guidance and gracious presence.
मैं सबसे लास्ट में ये बोलना जरूर चाहूँगा कि जितने बच्चे हैं, पढ़ लिख के जरूर पास होइएगा, केवल पढ़ पढ़ के नहीं और केवल लिख लिख के नहीं। हमारे ज़माने में हम लोग पढ़ लिख के पास हुए हैं, तो पढ़ना भी आता है और लिखना भी आता है। आज के बच्चे खाली मोबाइल पर पढ़ पढ़ के पास होते हैं या केवल लिख लिख के पास होते हैं बगल वाले से। मैं बहुत साफ बोल रहा हूँ। तो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू मेक योर practice of writing as well as to reading. Go to library, go to books, see the Google also. Don't make a bad impression on Google or mobile. It's a good thing. But please go writing, because writing habit आपकी खत्म होती जा रही है धीरे धीरे, मैं देख रहा हूँ, regular in all cases. So please लिख कर पढ़ कर पास होइए, यही मेरी आग्रह है आपसे। धन्यवाद।
Yes, sir. Rohit sir wants to add on something.
Hello. So there is a call by DST that is open right now till 31st May for the women scientist scheme for training in IPR. WISE IPR scheme is there. So last deadline is date is 31st May, and anybody who is having master degree can go for this internship, and it's a paid internship. 30,000 is the stipend. I think it's a comprehensive course, and everybody should look for this course. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all the dignitaries and Jyotsna ma'am for such a valuable session. Now I request Harsh to please carry forward.
As we come to the end of this panel discussion, I would like to express my gratitude to Associate Professor Dr. Jyotsna Dwivedi ma'am, moderator for our today's panel discussion, and to all of the respected panelists for sharing their valuable insights and perspectives on the topic, intellectual property commercialization, turning ideas into income. It's time to present token of gratitude and appreciation to our panelists. It's my honor to be standing here felicitating our guests who represent the very best of their field and are a source of inspiration to all of us. Now I request Dr. Shiv Shankar Pandey, sir, Dean DSSOP Pharmacy College, to present memento to Dr. Devendra Pathak, sir, Pharmacy, Dean Pharmacy, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam University, and Director of Rajiv Academy for Pharmacy, with a memento.
Yes. Let us have a round of applause.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Professor Ruchi Tiwari, ma'am, PSIT Pharmacy, to present memento to Dr. Kamla Pathak, ma'am, Dean and Professor, Faculty of Pharmacy, Uttar Pradesh, University of Medical Sciences, with a memento.
Dr. Ruchi Tiwari is also a student of Dr. Kamla Pathak, madam.
So proud of her. Thank you so much. Let us have a round of applause.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Dr. Vikram Sahu, sir, Principal, Maharana Pratap College of Pharmacy, to present Dr. Vibhu Sahani, sir, Professor and Head of Pharmacy, LLRM Medical College, Meerut, with a memento. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. Prashant Kumar Katyar, sir, Director, Kanpur Institute of Technology, to present Dr. Alok Mukherjee, sir, Professor and Principal, United Institute of Pharmacy, with a memento.
With a huge round of applause, let's welcome her. Now, I would like to request Dr. Ashish Srivastava, sir, Associate Professor, PSIT Pharmacy, to present Dr. Rohit Dutt, sir, Principal, GMN College, Ambala, with a memento. I request Dr. Ashish Srivastava, sir, Associate Professor, PSIT Pharmacy, to present Dr. Rohit Dutt, sir, Principal, GMN College, Ambala, with a memento. With a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. I request Dr. Amit Nigam, sir, HOD, Goel Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, to present Dr. Gaurav Kathwas, sir, Associate Dean and Professor, Head of Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, with a memento. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause. Thank you, sir. Now I would like to request Devika Tripathi, ma'am, Assistant Professor, PSIT, to present Dr. Akash Ved, sir, Associate Dean, Pharmacy in Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, with a memento. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Thank you, ma'am.
It was truly enlightening to hear such diverse viewpoints and to be a part of this thought-provoking discussion. Throughout this discussion, we have explored a wide range of perspectives on the topic intellectual property commercialization, turning ideas into income. And we have been impressed by the depth of insight and expertise that our panelists have brought to the table. Finally, let us all remember that discussions like these are not simply academic exercise, but rather a crucial part of the process of creating positive change. By coming together to share our knowledge and perspectives, we can build a shared understanding of the challenges that we face and work together to create a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Thank you all for joining us today. Now I would like to call on the cultural anchors to take the program further.
There is information for all the directors we have today with us. A meeting is scheduled on the ground floor, town hall, regarding discussion for APTI Con. So kindly please join the meeting, and we will after 10 minutes we will resume here. After 10 minutes, 30 minutes. We will have award function here after 30 minutes. So all the directors and teachers, faculty members present here, kindly join with us for a meeting in town hall, ground floor.
Thank you all the dignitaries present here. Thank you Jyotsna ma'am for moderating the panel discussion. I thank all the dignitaries who are present here and gave us valuable inputs. I request all the students to be seated. We have some events coming up next for you. I request all the students to keep their phone on silent mode, please. And I request every student to please settle down. We will resume with our cultural program shortly.
Respect and love the only way. If you wanna come with me.
students, I request you to settle down. And the most awaited event of this evening, I request my cultural anchors to kindly take the podium.
Hello. Hello. Sound, please. Hello. Hello. Sorry.
Don't stop. इतनी जहाँ खुशियाँ आए, hop 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 hop. चाहे तेज हो या slow, I just go go go. चलता मैं जाऊँ, चाहे जो भी हो, yeah. Life का फलसफा
चीज है बॉस, रुकेगा नहीं।
Fighter mode. And let's start our cultural event.
बहकी बहकी सीर से बहका बहका समन है, चकलू में सब कुछ ऐसी दिल को लगी लगन है, सेहत से भरा है हर एक निभाना, फिटनेस है ऑयल में ये जादू कर डाला, तो खाओ खिलाओ और फिट को भूल जाओ, फिटनेस है तो ऑयल के संग अब रिश्ते बनाओ, तो खाओ खिलाओ और फिट को भूल जाओ, फिटनेस है तो ऑयल के संग अब रिश्ते बनाओ।
100% टेस्टी, 100% हेल्दी, फिटनेस हेल्थ ऑयल, बढ़ाए रिश्तों में प्यार, स्वस्थ रहे पूरा परिवार।
Hello.
मस्त 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 है, बड़े मस्त है। Are you ready to see the magic of life? बड़ी मस्त है।
बावर्ची न्यूट्री सोया बड़ी, इसमें है हाई प्रोटीन जो खाने को बनाए एक हेल्थी डाइट और टेस्ट में
बड़े मस्त है।
We would like to first present the videos of the sponsors.
Hello. 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 Yes. Hello. 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 Hello.
If you wanna come, come with me. The door is open every day.
So, are you all ready for the magic of dance? Yes. The performer have put in a lot of effort to showcase their talent and will leave you in awe.
So let witness phenomenal folk dance prepared by B Farm third year student.
दुश्मन से भिड़ा टाका। हाँ भाई टाका। ऐसा किया हमने धमाका। हाँ धमाका। ते सीधा कर दिया वाका। भाई 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 भला मोरी रामा भला तारी रामा भला मोरी रामा भला तारी रामा भला मोरी रामा भला तारी रामा भला मोरी रामा भला तारी रामा।
Indeed, this performance has moved all of us. What an energy! We were mesmerized by this performance. Perfect moves, perfect expression, perfect music. Overall, it was a perfect performance. Now it's time to present you the dynamic group dance with Western vibes.
The performers are passionate and put their heart into it. So let's take a moment to appreciate the hard work and dedication of B.Pharm first year and B.Pharm second year student and welcome them on the stage.
So did you enjoy the first performance? So we will be going to show you the next performance. That's a Western dance. So what did you like in the first performance? The songs or the dance? Both? Okay. Dance? Okay. So I request the discipline committee to kindly see that everybody is in discipline as well. They don't enjoy too much of dance. We'll shortly start with our Western dance as well. So did you enjoy the events in PSIT? Did you participate in any event, oral or talent? How many of you participated? Anybody who has just come back from poster or oral presentation? Lot many. I hope you must have done a good work, as we have good prizes for the winners as well. So are you ready for the Western dance? Perfect.
Now let's welcome them on the stage.
ना झुकेगा ये सर। जान लेके किस्मत बांटे हैं, राहों में कांटे हैं, इंतजारों में आग है जितनी, कौन इतना मेरा इतना में फिर भी खाक सारों को, खाक ही काफी, बस मुझको है खामोशी मेरी। बेजुबान से मैं रहा, बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा, बेजुबान से मैं रहा, बेगुनाह सहता मैं रहा। तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया, बातें हैं भूल भुलैया, तेरी आंखें भूल भुलैया, बातें हैं भूल भुलैया, तेरे सपनों की गलियों में you keep driving me so crazy। तू रोती है, भी कहती है, keep praying all day।
What a precision and synchronization of this performance. The timing and coordination was impeccable. Indeed, it was a marvelous performance. Hope that everybody felt the vibes. Well, it's not an end to this energy. Let's present you, or rather give you the bombarding energy, the music group of Pharmacy, moving you from your seats.
With full zeal, let's welcome our PSIT Pharmacy Music Group to take you all to the musical journey. Welcome them on the stage.
एक चुनरी होगी।
चुनरी मुझे दे दीजिए भैया, चुनरी आप नहीं है, एक चुनरी मुझे दे दीजिए भैया। चुनरी नहीं है यार मेरे पास, एक चुनरी है क्या? हाँ मेरे पास चुनरी नहीं है।
10 नंबर चेक करो।
क्या करें, अदिति चुनरी नहीं है मेरे पास।
उनके पास चुनरी है, पीछे जो एक दीदी दिखा रही है,
मांग लेना प्लीज, चुनरी मांग लेना। दीदी चुनरी दे दीजिए प्लीज जल्दी से।
मेरे उसके पास ही नहीं है, उसके पास ही नहीं है, उसके पास ही नहीं है, अमृता के पास नहीं है, तो उससे वो दीदी से
गए सब।
Let's welcome with a huge round of applause.
हेलो
हेलो
ट्रैक
Sound.
So did you had a wonderful time? Yes, did you enjoy the cultural events? Do you want more? So what do you want more out of the three? Dance? Which dance? The first dance? So let's have a voting for the first dance. Quickly raise your hands. How many of you want the first dance? So, okay. So I think the vote goes to the first dance. Sweetie ma'am se पूछो.
थोड़ा टाइम पीछे आदित्य आ रहा है फिर करवाते हैं क्योंकि वो सब ड्रेस चेंज करने चली गई है।
अरे तो जो है वो तो करवाओ।
आज उतार रहा है।
After the cultural events, we'll be proceeding with the award ceremony function.
अम्मा ही रेडी है, सेक्रेटरी नहीं है, वो कर दे तो हम उसे परमिशन नहीं दे सकते। कहीं अंकिता अवार्ड ढूंढ गई तो बताइए क्या करें, कौन जवाबदेही देगा इसका? ये चीज़ें हमें पहले से बतानी चाहिए। तो डांस नहीं होता है, बच्चों ने कपड़े बदल दिए। 2-4 मिनट लगेगा कुछ तो नहीं तो आगे तक तो अभी गाना गा देता। स्नेहा आ रही है, स्नेहा तो उसको लग ही रहा है, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगा। कोई आ रहा है, फिर मैं आदित्य को बोलते हैं। ऑडियंस के पीछे किसी को कोई गाना गाना तो अपने मन से नहीं अलाउ करना है, उसमें से वो कर दो।
So by the time our first dancers are getting ready, I would like you all to see our documentary on PSIT. So can we have the documentary of PSIT? pharmacy students will take you to an instrumental journey.
बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। बेकरार करके हमें यूं न जाइए, आपको हमारी कसम लौट आइए। एक लड़की भीगी भागी सी, सोती रातों में जागी सी, मिली एक अजनबी से, कोई आगे ना पीछे, तुम ही कहो ये कोई बात है। प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों ये डरता है दिल। प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों ये डरता है दिल। कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल, मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल। कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल, मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल। प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों ये डरता है दिल। यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम है यहीं हम है यहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की, आईना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की। ये हमें है यकीन, बेवफा वो नहीं, फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की। ये जो मोहब्बत है यूं निगाह का, महबूब का जो बस लेती हुए ना रह जाए, हो जाए बदनाम। रहने छोड़ो जाने दो यार, हम ना करेंगे प्यार। रहने छोड़ो जाने दो यार, हम ना करेंगे प्यार। मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर ऐ हंसी, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई। बदन तू है वही दिल में जिसे अपना कहा, तू है जहां मैं हूँ वहां। अब तेरे बिन जीना है
Thank you.
Ready? नहीं आ रहा, माइक नहीं आ रहा. Hello. What a soothing performance it was. Hope you all enjoyed it.
So we have the dance performance again for you.
Once again for you.
But this will be a surprise, whether Western or Indian. So can we have not much voted dance for you, the Western dance. I request the discipline committee to see that everything goes in place.
Come to the stage first.
We'll have the Western dance once again.
Okay. अरे आज हाँ हाँ
हाँ हाँ
यस मैम तुम करो जाके फिर अम्मा करवा देते
Sneha, you're with whom?
So we have our singer Sneha. Aviral on the guitar. And Yash. And Ashish.
मुझको अपना बताए कोई कैसे तुझसे दिल न लगाए कोई बने तुझको बनाने में कर दी है हुस्न की खाली तिजोरियां काजल की सियाही से लिखी है तूने जाने कितनी की लव स्टोरियां केसरिया तेरा इश्क है पिया रंग जाऊं जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिन बीते सारा तेरी फिक्र में रहने सारी तेरी खैर मनाऊं अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया दिल के शहर में तू मुझको बसा ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया अपना बना ले पिया दिल के शहर में तू मुझको बसा ले पिया छूने से तेरे हाँ तेरे हाँ तेरे फीकी को रंग लगे तेरी दिशा में क्यों चलने से मेरे पैरों को पंख लगे रवाना मेरे काम का जग सारा हाँ बस तेरे नाम से ही गुजारा उलझ के बिना सुलझ न सकूं दीवानियाँ तेरी झूठी भी सच लगे तू मेरा फूला होके भी कुछ लगे पटोला बनके बागी छुड़ा खनके मेरे सोरिया सोरिया रे मेरा कितना दिल लगा मेरे सोरिया सोरिया रे मेरा कितना दिल लगा na 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 पे रहेंगे हर संगम इलाही मेरा जिया इलाही मेरा जिया Thank you so much.
Yes. I really understand you want once more of all the cultural events. So we have something new coming up for you as well. So once you listen and hear and feel that, you will say once more again.
एक और है कोई
So we have the pharmacy musical band. I request that, these cultural events should not make you feel light. So it's good to enjoy, but in decorum. That's just a request.
Hello.
हम पगला जाएंगे बीच से भागा गलती
Lights. Hello. Lights. Off कर दो. Yes, come.
I request the performers. Let's give a huge round of applause of our performance. Welcome them so that they can portray something energetic to you. And trust me, this particular event will take you to adrenaline rush.
Thank you.
I hope you had a wonderful time. Well, all these events of IPR obviously is impossible with the help of our sponsors also. So I request to have a video of our sponsors run once.
Don't stop.
रुकेगा नहीं।
महकी महकी सी रसोई, बहका बहका समन है, चकलू में सब कुछ ऐसी, दिल को लगी लगन है, सेहत से भरा है, हर एक निवाला, फिटनेस है, ऑयल में ये जादू कर डाला, तो खाओ खिलाओ और फिक्र को भूल जाओ, फिटनेस है टॉल के संग, अब रिश्ते बनाओ, तो खाओ खिलाओ और फिक्र को भूल जाओ, फिटनेस है टॉल के संग, अब रिश्ते बनाओ।
100% टेस्टी, 100% हेल्दी, फिटनेस हेल्थ ऑयल, बढ़ाए रिश्तों में प्यार, स्वस्थ रहे पूरा परिवार।
मस्त 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 है, बड़े मस्त है, टेस्ट में भी लज्जत है, बावर्ची की सोया बड़ी बड़ी मस्त है,
बावर्ची न्यूट्री सोया बड़ी, इसमें है हाई प्रोटीन जो खाने को बनाए एक हेल्थी डाइट और टेस्ट में
बड़ी मस्त है।
Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we believe it. Look who we are the dreamers, we make it happen, guess we can see it. Yes to the one that keep the passion, respect, oh yeah. Yes to the one that can imagine, respect, oh yeah.
So I request Piyush Nigam sir from Red Chief to kindly come and enlighten us about his brand. What is the brand all about and how it is marketed? So please huge round of applause for Piyush Nigam sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Hope you are enjoying this event, and I am very glad here to join with CSIT. This is the first event for us as a brand here. Ma'am, ये भी चला रही है एक बार हाँ एक बार चला मैम साउंड भी करवाइए बिना साउंड के चलेगा बोल रहे हैं ना सर इसलिए एक बार साउंड करवा देती तो ज़्यादा अच्छा था
Backdrop of Red Chief. Vinayak, backdrop of Red Chief. Once. The video needs to be played.
Don't stop. जहाँ खुशियाँ आए चाहे तेज हो या slow, I just go go go. चलता मैं जाऊँ चाहे जो भी हो, Life का pulse of
बॉस रुकेगा नहीं।
तो जैसा कि आप लोगों ने ये भी देखा, आप में से कितने लोग रेड चीफ को जानते हैं? तो काफी सारे लोग रेड चीफ को जानते हैं। इसके लिए एक चीयर अप होना चाहिए रेड चीफ के लिए। आवाज नहीं आ रही। और एक चीयर अप आप लोगों के लिए भी होना चाहिए। अरे अपने लिए तो चीयर अप करो आप लोग। ये हुई ना बात।
तो जैसा कि आप लोगों ने एवी में देखा, रेड चीफ एक फुटवेयर ब्रांड है जो 1995 से रन कर रहा है और इंडियन मार्केट में एक लीडिंग ब्रांड है जो ऑलमोस्ट 60% ऑफ शेयर मार्केट का कैप्चर करता है। एक कंफर्टेबल है और आपको एक कंफर्ट जोन में ले जाता है। और जैसे कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि पीएसआईटी के साथ जुड़ने के बाद स्टूडेंट जो है यहाँ पे टीचर से, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जुड़ा रहता है। वैसे ही अगर एक बार आप रेड चीफ ट्राई करोगे तो आप रेड चीफ से हमेशा जुड़े रहोगे, ये इसकी खासियत है। इसीलिए ये 1995 से अभी तक लॉन्ग लास्टिंग ब्रांड बना हुआ है और आप लोग का साथ हमारा बना रहे, इसके लिए एक बार तालियां हो जाए हमारे लिए। बाकी आप लोग जानते ही हैं तो मैं आप लोग का टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करूंगा यहाँ पे। थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir. Now I request Alok Mishra, sir, from Pharmaceuticals. Enlighten us. Please share his views.
Use these products for in your daily life, washing your clothes with this detergent and all, and you will be happy that last year its turnover was more than 5,000 crore. So please give a clap for Mantora oil product. Thank you. Thank you so much. And all the best to all of you for your future career. And a nice audience. And first time I'm visiting this, this auditorium. And it's quite bright over here. So, okay. Goodbye, all of you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. A huge round of applause for ma'am.
Video. Video, backdrop.
So we have a cultural event for you. Now, since you know that this time the IPR was on two modes, hybrid mode as well, online and offline. So right now, you have been witnessing all the programs offline mode. So let's witness a program online mode. So here we have a Kathak performance in hybrid mode.
क्या 2 मिनट
So Yash, by the time we are going to witness the dance, why don't we ask some questions related to pharmacy to the pharma students?
Sure, we can ask some questions to them.
Okay, so let's have some quiz rounds with our audience. And trust me, we have some goodies also for you if you answer it right. So what is the first question?
Our first question is, what is the largest artery in the human body? I again repeat, what is the largest artery in human body?
Okay, so if you will answer in one, everybody will answer like this, you will not get the goodie. So you need to quickly raise your hand to answer this. So the last person, yes. The volunteers kindly provide mic to them.
The answer is aorta.
The volunteers.
Excuse me, here. Here, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we are listening to you.
The artist's name is aorta.
Sorry?
Aorta?
So is this the right answer? So sir, you are welcome here to accept your goodie as well. Please come here and tell us your name. So let's give him a huge hand.
सब लोग यहीं खड़े हो जाओगे तो
Sir, please come.
हाँ बताइए
So tell us which school you are from.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Anurag Dixit and I'm reading in third year in Advanced Institute, Nara, Kanpur.
So can we have the goodies for him?
So you can just come here and receive the goodie. Arey, give him the goodie, yaar.
So a huge round of applause for him. Okay. So Yash, what is the next question? I would request the volunteers to provide mic to the people who are raising their hands. So please spread throughout the auditorium so that everybody gets an equal chance. Yes, Yash, what's the next question?
The next question is, name the tissue that forms the inner lining of the organs. I repeat, Name the tissue that forms the inner lining of the organs.
The question will get nullified if everybody starts answering.
Epithelial tissue.
Okay, somebody from that side who raised their, okay, that boy, right. Give him the mic, please. The one in the shirt. Yes, sir. Can we have the mic for him? Quickly. Sir, you can just come down. Come down here.
माइक उधर क्यों नहीं है? माइक उधर पहुंचाओ। अरुण जी, माइक उधर पहुंचवाइए जल्दी।
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Epithelial tissue.
So is this the right answer, Yash?
Yes, ma'am. This is the right answer.
Well done, sir. Please tell your name and come to the stage. Come. Sir, please tell your name.
My name is Raj Bandhu Gautam. I belong to Mathura from Rajiv Academy for Pharmacy.
Wow, from Mathura. Very good. Please receive your token. A huge round of applause for you all, for somebody from out of Kanpur. Thank you, sir, for coming to IPR. So proceeding next, we have the third question for the day.
The third question is related to the general knowledge. Who is the first citizen of the India? I repeat, who is the first citizen of the India?
Okay, somebody is answering Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
President.
So Yash, I guess this question gets nullified.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I can hear answers from every corner of the auditorium. Yes, sir.
President.
Right answer. The President. Please come here. So it's always the President. Please, your name.
Myself Vishal Kumar Singh, and I am pursuing B Pharm third year from Maharana Pratap College of Pharmacy, and I belongs to Devariya, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
Give him a huge round of applause.
Please accept your token. PPT ready? PPT ready? Okay, moving ahead with the next question. Yash, quickly throw the question to the audience.
The next question is, who proposed the atomic theory of matter?
Now that sounds tough, Yash.
Now again repeat, who is first proposed the atomic theory of the matter?
Okay, some.
Wrong answer.
John Dalton.
Who answered?
Okay. So the one who stood up first, I will give him the chance. So we have two people. Sir, first your answer.
Ma'am, Dalton.
And what is your answer?
John Dalton.
So Yash, give them another question for a tiebreaker, please. Can we have you two on the stage for a tiebreaker? Yes, yes. Since we have a tiebreaker, both of you are welcomed here. Please. So we have a tiebreaker situation now. I did not hear his answer. We have two. That's enough.
So the question for tiebreaker is, when is the National Farmers Day celebrated in India? I repeat, when is the National Farmer Day celebrated in India? No answers from the audience.
So the president of IPR student is already giving the answer. You are disqualified, sir. So can we have the answers?
I repeat the question. When is the National Farmers Day celebrated in India?
23 December.
Who is this?
23 December.
Sir, you were never a part of tiebreaker. But that's hats off to the spirit. Come and take away your goodie. Come.
Sure. Give him a huge round of applause.
Quickly come down. Yash, give them a question quickly.
Sure, ma'am. The question for tiebreaker is, syrup consists of which sugar?
Ma'am, sucrose. Ma'am, sucrose.
Sucrose.
Ma'am, sucrose.
Sucrose.
Okay. So, we have 3 participants here and see the craziness in the audience. I feel that everybody wants to jump to the podium. So, you all 3 deserve a goodie from us. Isn't it? Very good. Please give them the goodie.
Give them a huge round of applause, please.
कमला पाठक जा रही है कमला पाठक जा रहे हैं स्पॉन्सर की लिस्ट नाम बता दो मैम अंदर बैठी
Pharma acknowledging pharma. Such a beautiful sight. You want to get a selfie? I guess somebody's taking his photograph. Okay. So, before we proceed ahead with this knowledgeable quiz, we'll have our online dance performance for you. So sit back and enjoy. Now we are proceeding ahead with the actual event, that is the award functions. Are you all waiting for that? So we are heading towards our award ceremony program. Before that, Yash, can we ask one or two questions more?
Sure, ma'am.
So let's throw one more question.
The next question is, which of the following disease is caused by the deficiency of niacin? I repeat, which of the following disease is caused by the deficiency of niacin? And the options are rickets, diabetes, pellagra, and scurvy. Pellagra.
Okay.
Pellagra answered it.
So we will not give anything to anybody.
Ma'am, Pellagra.
I heard a female voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Where are you, ma'am?
Ma'am, back.
Please come forward, ma'am.
Ma'am, Pellagra.
Yes, ma'am. Please come and take away your gift. The people just standing and answering. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay. So I request.
Hi, I am Anmol Sharma from CSJMU Kanpur University from M.Pharm first year, Pharmacology.
Okay. I request somebody to give him the goodie, please.
Give him a huge round of applause, please.
That's it. Thank you. So we will welcome our dignitaries again, and we'll proceed with sponsors awards first. The first set of awards are for sponsorships. I request our, okay, we have one more candidate for the gift. I request. Come this side, come this side. If anybody's clicking. Okay. Congratulations. Okay. I request everyone to welcome back our dignitaries with a huge round of applause. We will be resuming our event further. With the award functions, I request sponsorship anchors to kindly take over the podium.
Now, as we move further, I would like to request our guest of honor, Dr. Deependra Singh Sir, Chairman, Education Regulation Committee, Pharmacy Council of India, Dr. Vibhu Sahani Sir, Professor and Head of Pharmacy in LLRM Medical College, Dr. A.K. Rai Sir, Director, PSIT Pharmacy and APTI UP President, Dr. Pranay Wall Sir, Dean, PSIT Pharmacy, APTI UP Vice President and Convener of IPR 3.0 to kindly grace the sponsors with the memento.
On behalf of PSIT Pharmacy, we would like to extend our heartfelt thank you to our sponsors. Your generous contribution and support have been instrumental in making this national conference a success.
I would like to start by thanking our first sponsor, Mantora Group. The year 1973 marked the beginning of Mantora Group. From a very small shop, Vishwanath Jagdish Prasad and Company started with edible oil, Vanaspati trading and supply to various factories from a very small investment. Since then, there was no stoppage to their business expansion. I would like to invite Pavan Kumar Kukreja sir and Kavita Kukreja ma'am to kindly receive the token of gratitude. Kindly welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Kirti, come.
Huge round of applause for them, everybody.
Our next sponsor is Cigna Industries. Cigna Pharma Private Limited is a 39-year-old private limited Indian non-government company incorporated on 3rd March 1984. Its registered office is in Kanpur Nagar, Uttar Pradesh. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Saurabh Bhargava sir and Dr. Vishal Bhargava sir to kindly receive the award. Kindly give them a huge round of applause. Our next sponsor is Red Chief. Leon Global Private Limited, the fast-growing part of RSPL, is a respected name in the leather industry. Since 1995, the footwear range of Leon Global Private Limited was launched under the brand name Red Chief in 1997. I would like to request Piyush sir and Kapil sir to kindly receive the memento. Kindly give them a huge round of applause.
Our next sponsor is Pharmaceuticals. Pharmaceuticals Academy of Higher Pharma Education is renowned in the field of postgraduate coaching classes for GPAT, NIPER, NET, GATE aspirants. It is the only center in the entire India which is involved in the total spectrum of coaching only for higher education. I would like to invite Alok Mishra sir and Anurag Srivastav sir to kindly receive the memento. Kindly welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Now, I would like to welcome our next sponsor, Mishika Super Speciality Hospital. Dr. Surendra Patel sir, anesthesiologist and Director of Mishika Super Speciality Hospital, Ramadevi Charaha, Kanpur. It is a top player in the category of pediatrician in the Kanpur. This well-known established request Dr. Surendra Pharma, Blue World Theme Park and Cafe OCD for their generous sponsors. Now I would like to call Kajal and Manishi to proceed further.
Good evening, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you
LLRM Medical College to grace the stage by their presence. Now, I would like to call Dr. Amita Tilak ma'am, Professor, GSVM Medical College, Kanpur, to kindly come on the dais and accept the token of gratitude.
With a huge round of applause, let's welcome ma'am. Give a huge round of applause for ma'am.
एक स्पॉन्सर एक्सेल स्टोरेज वालों को छुपा किसके पास है उनके पास एक्सेल स्टोरेज वालों को बोलिए ना छुपा एक्सेल
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to call Dr. Anupam Kumar Sachan, sir, Professor, Dayanand Neeranath College of Pharmacy, to kindly come on the dais and accept the token of gratitude.
रुक जाओ we have two Vivek Umrao sir to please accept on behalf of Mishika Super Speciality Hospital. And I request Excel Storage, representative from Excel Storage, please kindly receive the award. Can we have a huge round of applause, people?
अब जजेस का बोलो. Ms. Shilpi Mishra ma'am, Associate Professor, Advanced Institute of Biotech and Pharmaceutical Sciences. Ma'am, kindly come on the dais and accept the token of gratitude.
With a huge round of applause, let's welcome ma'am.
इसके बाद
Now, I would like to call Professor UVS Sara, sir, Director, Hygiene Institute of Pharmacy. Dr. Sameer Rastogi, sir, Director.
Dr. Tanveer Javed, Director, Pharmacy, Amity University, Noida. Mr. Man Singh, Professor Dr. Ajay Kumar Gupta, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chhatrapati Shahu Ji Maharaj University. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause.
बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा मोनिका सिंह नेक्स्ट स्पॉन्सर इनका नाम लोगे आई रिक्वेस्ट पुनीत पांडे फ्रॉम बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा इनका नेक्स्ट
Now we have Mr. Puneet Pandey and Ms. Monica Singh from Bank of Baroda, our general sponsors. Sir and ma'am, please come on the stage.
Can we have a huge round of applause for them?
Let's give a huge round of applause for sir and ma'am.
अमिता तिलक मैम का हो हाँ अब मैम डॉक्टर मिश्रा शर्मा
Dr. Nisha Sharma, Director, Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Chhatrapati Shahu Ji Maharaj University. Dr. Malti Arya, Associate Professor, Chandrasekhar Singh College of Pharmacy, Prayagraj. Let's welcome ma'am with a huge round of applause.
उनका नाम क्या था
Can we have a huge round of applause?
लास्ट में समर्पण कॉलेज वाले नहीं, दूसरे नीरज
डॉक्टर मीनू दूसरा कॉलेज है लखनऊ बोल रहे हैं।
Dr. Manju Pandey, Director Shri Ram Sarup Memorial University, Barabanki, Lucknow.
ये नहीं बोला नहीं बोला
Dr. Shashi Alok, National President, SPSR and Assistant Professor, Institute of Pharmacy, Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause. Dr. Vikram Sahu, Principal, Maharana Pratap College of Pharmacy. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause.
डॉक्टर नीरज सिंह कॉलेज बाबू सुंदरदास। मैम ने सब चेंज कर दिया, मैम ने सब लखनऊ करवा दिया। बाबू सुंदरदास।
Dr. Isha Yadav, ma'am, Director of Pharmacy, Access College. I would like to request the ma'am to kindly come on the dais.
Let's give a huge round of applause for ma'am. Dr. Amit Nigam, Professor, Goyal Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Lucknow. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause. Dr. Prashant Kumar Katiyar, Director, Kanpur Institute of Technology. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause.
Dr. Vishal Dubey, sir, HOD, Narayana College of Pharmacy. I would like to call the sir on the dais to accept the token of gratitude.
Dr. Anuradha Mishra, Director, Amity Institute of Pharmacy, Lucknow.
Dr. Ajit Singh, sir, Director, JS University. I would like to call the sir on the dais to accept the token of gratitude.
Dr. Manish Raj Goyal, Director, Vimla Institute of Pharmacy. Sir, please come on the stage to accept the token of gratitude. Let's give a huge round of applause for sir. Let's give a huge round of applause for sir.
Dr. Stuti Verma, Director, Sagar Institute of Pharmacy. I would like to request the ma'am to come on the dais to accept the token of gratitude. Dr. Anup Kumar Sirvaiya, sir, Director, MPEC Institute of Pharmacy. I would like to request the sir to come on the dais and accept the token of gratitude.
हो गया?
Dr. Karuna Shankar Shukla, sir, Director, Goyal Institute of Pharmacy, Lucknow. I would like to request the sir to come on the dais and accept the token of gratitude.
Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause. Dr. Neeraj Kumar, Professor, Lucknow, Babu Sundar Das College. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause.
Dr. Mukesh Dubey, sir, Director, Sikho College of Pharmacy, Lucknow. I would like to request the sir to come on the dais.
Mr. Shiv Shankar, Dean, DSSOP Pharmacy College.
Now,
Dr. Sunil Prajapati, BU University. Sir, I welcome you on the stage to accept the token of gratitude. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause. Shailesh Kathwani, Principal of RLC Institute of Pharmacy, Etawah. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause.
Dr. Rohit Dutt, kindly join us on the stage.
Dr. Satyendra, sir, please kindly join us on the stage.
Dr. Bharat Mishra, sir, RGS College of Pharmacy. I would like to request the sir to come on the dais and accept the token of gratitude. Let's welcome sir with a huge round of applause. Dr. Saket Verma, sir, Om Prakash College of Pharmacy. I would request the sir to come on the dais and accept the token of gratitude. Dr. Arjun Singh, sir, CCS College, Prayagraj. I would request the sir to come on the dais and accept the token of gratitude.
डॉक्टर अमित निगम हो गया और कौन है
Now, I would like to call Harsh and Yash to proceed further.
Amrita, please come. और कोई रहता नहीं है? कोई रह तो नहीं है? देख लो, पूछ लो। डॉक्टर राकेश सैनी चले गए।
स्टूडेंट्स अवार्ड करवाएं स्टूडेंट प्लीज मैंने दे दी सबको हाँ So we will proceed further for the students awards now. Now the hard work which you have put in today in various competitions, there were judges who judged you and participating in those events is important.
So the first category of awards is oral presentation offline, and to amaze me, there is a tie on all the position. So the third position, there is a tie between Jansi Verma and Abhishek Pratap Maurya from Radha Krishna College of Pharmacy. I would invite you all to receive your award on the stage.
So can we have a huge round of applause for them?
And the next who secured the third position is Prabhat Bhagat from Axis College also.
So we have a tie.
Give them a huge round of applause, please.
So let's appreciate their work. Yes, Yash.
To the second position, there is also a tie between Deepthi and Navneet Singh from Bimla Group of Institute of Pharmacy and Shagun from B Farm 3rd, second year PSIT Pharmacy.
The second runner-ups, please quickly come to the dais. So let's have a huge round of applause for Shagun, PSIT Pharmacy. Shagun, we have a tie.
सारे टाइम हैं
For the first position,
For the first position, there is also a tie between Abhishek Yadav from Chandrasekhar Singh College of Pharmacy and Kanika and Arpit Gupta from M.Pharm second year PSIT Pharmacy.
so let's give them a huge round of applause. Let's give them a huge round of applause, people. Proceeding further for the poster presentation. The third runner-up, we have a tie here as well. Satyam Pal, Rohit Kumar, Garima Yadav, Ranjan Patel, Narayana Group of Institutes, Kanpur. Randhir Kumar, Nikita Dayal, Kajor Soni and Kashish Tiwari, KIT Kanpur Pharmacy. I request the participants, the third runner-up, for poster presentation to kindly come on the stage.
ये लिस्ट किसने बनाई है पोस्टर वालों ने ये सेकंड पोजीशन में फर्स्ट सेकंड दिया है
जो भी है सो People, poster presentation, third runner-up. Kindly give them a huge round of applause.
टाई है
For second position, we have a tie again. Aparna Vishwakarma, Arshi Noor, Sanjana Rathore, Dr. Sanjana Rathore from Maharana College of Pharmacy, Kanpur. Alka Chaurasia, Sadaf Arif, Access Institute of Pharmacy. Second runner-ups. Second and runner-ups also have a tie.
Please give them a huge round of applause.
Let's celebrate their success. Please give them a huge round of applause, people.
टैलेंट हट ग्रुप जो
The winners for poster presentation, Shubham Kanojia, Nitin Ranjan, Shubhankit Soni, Babu Suren Singh College of Pharmacy, Lucknow. The winners of poster presentation.
काजल बाबू सुंदर से आई एम सो सॉरी। अरे क्या है ये सेकंड क्या है पता नहीं देखो ये देखो काजल 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 ये बोलो ये कौन से विनर्स हैं?
Now the next category for the award is oral presentation online. The third position is secured by Shriyanshi Mishra, from PG student of KIPM Gorakhpur.
Respected Alok Mukherjee sir, please come on the stage for the felicitation.
सेकंड है ना? हाँ सेकंड।
इसके बाद क्या?
इसके बाद नहीं।
और कौन सा बचा?
यश, please announce once again.
The next category for the award is Pharma Talent, organized by MPharm first year. The third position is secured by Ayush Raj Dubey of GSRM College of Pharmacy.
Please give him a huge round of applause. Pharma Talent Hunt. It had 3 rounds. Trust me, it was a difficult task.
उसका नाम या पता करो। हाँ वो मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसका नाम पता करो। वो जो बैठा है मालती के पीछे पर्पल शर्ट।
अरे चुप हो यार।
उसका नाम हम जा रहे
The second position is secured by Anjali Singh of B Farm third year PSIT Pharmacy.
Give him a huge round of applause, people. I request the candidate to kindly come and receive the award.
The winner for the Pharma Talent is Vignesh Sharma from B Farm second year PSIT Pharmacy.
हाँ तुम बुलाओ मुझे। गुना वाले लड़के का नाम क्या है? गुना वाले लड़के का नाम मुंडा वाले सूरज प्रताप।
Vignesh, pharmacy second year. A very, very good student.
Give him a huge round of applause, please.
Give him a huge round of applause for Vignesh. I request Dr. Pranay Wall, sir, convener IPR 3.0, to kindly proceed further with some exciting awards.
Very good afternoon to all of you. So we have Mr. Avdesh from PharmaMed, and we are thankful that we have received a sponsorship from PharmaMed, and we are hoping for a huge sponsorship in Epticon also. Aye. Next we have our star performer from Axis College, Mr. Raj Gupta. Mr. Raj Gupta is here. Please share your hand. Raise your hand. Come. Then one more scientific session, just Suraj Pratap. Suraj Pratap. अभी इसको वही लेना है, अभी सेशन वही लेना है, खत्म हो गया, ले लो। हाँ 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 वही है, खत्म हो गया इसको। अभी दिलवा देंगे, अभी अंकिता से लेना। नेक्स्ट शैलेश यादव सर। ट्रॉफी कर दिया वही नियोजन ले लो। Our third year team has really done very hard work for getting a sponsorship. So I congratulate whole third year and second year also for all the hard work effort. First in the list is Kirti Kukreja. So we have 2100 rupees check for Kirti. Next is Amrita Yadav. Amrita Yadav. अच्छा बोलता हूँ मैं, देखता हूँ बच्चा है कि नहीं, देखता हूँ। हाँ देख लो। Next in the list is Kushagri Singh. Well done, Kushagri, for all the hard work, for getting sponsorship from Red Chief. Next we have Arunima Gupta. Arunima Gupta. Whole team has worked really very well. Ishan Saxena. Aman Raj. Check worth rupees 2100. Aman Raj. Ishan Saxena. Devansh Shukla. Aman Raj. And last was not the least, the captain Arun Gupta. Other college students can also help us in getting sponsorship from Apticon, and we can provide 10% to them. Now we have efforts from core committee, so we'll be felicitating them. Starting from final year, we have Kushagra Shukla. Final year, please go. Final year, please. नहीं मेरे पास नहीं। एक ही पन्ना यहाँ पे। फाइनल ईयर वाले कहाँ हैं? हाँ तो फिर कहाँ दी? सुष्मिता। मजहर। साक्षी।
मनीष सर ने बोला है विमला का समीर खान, सलमान खान, छवि शंकर, इनको बोलना है।
हर्षित। हर्षित नहीं है?
ग्रुप का
बोले
नहीं, एमफा में
हर्षवर्धन।
हर्षवर्धन, रोल नंबर 25। आओ आओ बेटा। उनके नाम बोलो।
अब जी तुम ये इधर
हाँ बताओ।
ले जाओ अंदर। चलो ठीक, जाने दो।
एमफाम फर्स्ट ईयर से एमफाम के भी नाम लिखे थे।
किधर है?
लिखे हैं। एमफाम में अर्पित गुप्ता, ध्रुव, ठीक है, हर्षित, अमन पटेल, पूर्वी, अतीश, अमन अमृत, शार्दुल। अब रुक जाइए मैम, अभी फर्स्ट ईयर एमफाम फर्स्ट ईयर नहीं मैम, अभी फाइनल ईयर चल रहा है। अच्छा, थर्ड ईयर चल रहा है।
बीफार्म थर्ड ईयर सचिन। सिया पांडे, उज्जवल, स्नेहा, Cultural head. All the hard work done in the registration committee, Vikas Gupta. And a wonderful effort done by Krishna Soni. A round of applause for Krishna Soni. Vinayak. Vinayak Subrat. Vinayak कहाँ है? सुब्रत आ गया? कहाँ? सुब्रत आ गया ना? प्रभात. For preparing drawings, sketch of all the dignitaries. Pallavi. Very well done, Pallavi. The anchoring committee, lead by Manishi. Anishka. काजल.
फोटोग्राफी
हो गया. मजहर हो गया. अच्छा. अजहर and आस्था. आदित्य.
अभिनव वेदिका ईशा
आदित्य. अभिनव.
वेदिका ईशा मेघा यश
यश. अरे बहुत ज्यादा.
एंकरिंग
जल्दी जल्दी खींचो फोटो.
तुम कौन से?
सेकंड ईयर हो?
थर्ड ईयर.
हाँ दोनों यश अरे यार सब
फर्स्ट ईयर है.
फर्स्ट ईयर कभी आया नहीं है.
फर्स्ट ईयर को नहीं दे रहे.
फर्स्ट ईयर तानिया फोर्थ ईयर.
तानिया फ्रॉम फाइनल ईयर. तानिया.
थर्ड ईयर से शिवा और अन्वी.
शिवा फ्रॉम थर्ड ईयर. शिवा शुक्ला एंड अनवी. अनवी. बचे हैं. रोटेट करवा देंगे.
ध्रुव गुप्ता हर्षित अमन पटेल पूर्वी अतीत अमन अमृत शारदा.
ठीक. कंफर्म तुम दो पार्ट में कर दो. दो पार्ट में. दो पार्ट में कर दो.
राजगुप्ता कहूँगी एक्सेस वाले.
ध्रुव त्रिपाठी एम फार्म सेकेंड ईयर.
एम फार्म सेकेंड ईयर. अर्पित गुप्ता.
अर्पित गुप्ता. कोई मिल चुका था.
हर्षित नहीं एम फार्म.
एम फार्म हर्षित.
अमन पटेल.
पूर्वी.
पूर्वी. अतीत श्रीवास्तव. अमन अमृत. शार्दुल. इंदु.
इंदु.
सेकंड ईयर.
ये बच्चे हैं.
अपने फटा को तो
ईशा.
ईशा हो गया. मेघा हो गया. एम फॉर्म ईशा मेघा हो गए. थर्ड ईयर.
हाँ बोलो.
फ्रॉम बी फार्म सेकेंड ईयर.
निकल जाओ.
वैष्णवी चौहान.
हाँ वो भेज देंगे. आवाज़ तो बोलते हैं.
श्रेया गुप्ता. रिया द्विवेदी.
Megha.
Megha, third year. Laksh Chandel.
For all the hard work, Laksh, very good.
Very nice. Siddhant.
Siddhant has also done a hard work.
Ratnil.
All the technical work has been managed by Ratnil.
Very nice.
Round of applause for Ratnil.
Aditya Raj. Aditya Raj. Prabhakar Shakya. Manu Gupta. Zia Khanam. Vignesh. Divyanshi Sharma. Divyanshi Bajpayee. Vanshika. Stuti. Sneha Pandey. वो करवाना है विमला वाला विमला का करवाना है। अभी इसके बाद हो जाएगा फिर लास्ट में
मोमेंटो खत्म हो गया ना।
जितने लोग हैं सब लोग आ जाओ।
मैं देखता हूँ।
बी फार्म फर्स्ट ईयर हर्ष निकिता शुक्ला अग्रिम।
हाँ
इधर आ जाओ बैठ जाओ हर्ष बैठ हो गए छूटे तो नहीं कौन छूटा शिवम यादव हर्ष गौरांश अंकित मुख्तार कमान ऑन स्टेज बस ये लास्ट प्राइज है हाँ ग्रुप है
Sudhir Yadav, Goel Institute of Pharmacy. Please come. And there is one more prize was there from Vimla Institute of Pharmacy. Sameer Khan, Salman and Chabi Sharma. Sameer Khan, Salman.
all creative team अरे नॉर्मल second year student.
We have a special prize for Sweetie ma'am for all the hard work done. Please come. And Katyani ma'am. Please come on stage. Well done, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Saurabh Singh, B.Pharm third year. Students who are going by bus can proceed towards G block. Third year, please come for a group photograph.
एक फोटो बोलो एक वो सर्टिफिकेट रख देना यहाँ लाइए
आप भी आ जाओ, सब लोग बाकी लोग को भी बुला लो। फार्मेसी डिपार्टमेंट का ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी गौरव सर, आशीष सर,
मिलते फिर, चलो बढ़िया। थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू।